ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ईशावास्य उपनिषद शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय उपनिषद टीका on page number 13, fifth line from the bottom. जिजीविषो रागिणः। जिजीविषो रागिणः कर्म विहितम। कर्म and vihitam space should be there. सर्वम ईश्वर एव इति ज्ञानवतस् त्यागो विहितः। Jijivisha, person who has desire to live and he is a ragi because he has desire, for that person karma vihitam, karma is prescribed. Sarvam Ishvara eva iti, such knowledge person who has jnanavatah, sarvam Ishvara eva iti jnanavatah, tyago vihitah, for that person त्याग is prescribed. So there are two virodha. One person is told you have to do karma. Why? Because you have desire to live and other desires are there. Person who has this knowledge, everything is Brahma. Ishvara means Brahma. That Brahma I am. For that person, tyaga. Leave everything. Means jnana is there, for jnana nishtha, tyaga is prescribed. Kincha, dhana sampannasyaiva karmani adhikara. And who can do karma? Person who has dhanam. Person who does not have dhanam, how will he do karma? So, person who has given up money, means they might keep some for their livelihood, etc. But otherwise, if they don't have, they can't do any karma. Prathama mantra artha adhikarinascha, prathama mantrartha adhikarinascha, dhanakangsha nishedhena, karmadhikara nishedha pratiyate ityartha. When it is said magridha kasyasvidhanam, so in that mantra, dhana akanksha nishedha, don't have desire for wealth, and that shows take sannyasa. So therefore you don't have adhikara in karma. That is what is said indirectly. For whom? Prathama mantrartha adhikarina, for the one who has adhikara, means one who is qualified. Adhikara means qualification. One who has qualification for Ishavasyamidam, this mantra, for that person, karma adhikara is nishiddha. You don't have to do karma. Jijivisha hi karmadhikarinaha eva. And desire to live is for the one who has karma adhikara, karmadhikarina eva. Na jnanadhikarina iti atra pramanam aha. So for jnana adhikari, there is no jijivisha. Means, may I continue to live in this existence, this desire I should not entertain. Pramanam aha. न जीविते in Bhashya, न जीविते मरणे वा गृधिम kurvita. So neither I should have desire or greed to live, nor I should have desire or greed to die. In other words, I should mentally disassociate myself from the physical body. If the body continues, good. If the body doesn't continue, is also good. I don't care. It is like something is happening in the town. Let's say some person is existing. You say, okay. Some person ceases to exist. You say, okay, what can you do? So, like that, I should have attitude towards this body also. And further in Tika, because in Bhashya it was said, Aranyam iyat. Aranyam iyat means one should go to forest. Aranyam iyat. So Aranyam iyat means, see in Tika, Aranyam stri jana sankirnam ashramam iyat gachet iti. Padam Ved Shastra Sthitihi. Aranya means Strijana Asankirna. That person which does not have a woman in close proximity. That is called a forest. So when it said a sannyasi should go to forest, so you take example of Yajnavalkya himself. Yajnavalkya, after giving Upadesha to Maitreyi, he said, now I will leave. So he did not stay there in that Strijana Asankirna place. So Strijana Asankirnam Ashramam Iyat. Go there where women are not around. Iti Padam Veda Shastra Sthitihi. So this is what Veda Shastra is saying. In other words, going to forest, like I am sure once upon a time Rishikesh was forest. If you take literal meaning of the word, Aranya means Varam, forest. But city starts developing around, more houses come, more people come, jobs come. You say, now I have to go further somewhere. You go further somewhere. Again, some people come. Again, because things go on developing. So, Aranya, this meaning is taken. Not literally forest, but where you don't have scope for desires. In this way. ततो अरण्यवासोपलक्षितात् संन्यासात् न पुनः यात् कर्म श्रद्धया न प्रत्यावृत्तिम कुर्यात् इति. So therefore aranyavasa upalakshita sannyasa. Sannyasa, how it should be? Aranyavasa upalakshita. Sannyasa where this other part is also upalakshana. Aranyavasa is upalakshana for that sannyasa. Aranyavasa upalakshita sannyasa. Upalakshana means if it is there, it will definitely help you. Those people who say, but we are living in city and so many people are around and all this, that. But that's why they say sannyasi should live farther if possible. Like in India, for example, in some places, early morning they will start some movie songs or something. Nobody will tell them anything. It is just going on. Like here also during, just before Mahashivratri time, some loud music is there, or that coward people will come. They will be playing Shiva bhajans or something. They will not have movie song. But it will be so loud. In the night also you can't sleep. In the daytime, early morning, they will start like that. So, this is vigna. This is disturbance. So, one should stay away from it. ईयात मतलब, ईयात मीन्स टू गो. ईयात ईयाताम ईयुः विधिलिंग. या धातु. या 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 धातु. संन्यासात न पुनः ईयात. सो वंस अगेन कर्म श्रद्धया न प्रत्यावृत्तिम कुर्यात्. With karma and shraddha, pratyavritti one should not do. Means again, this is a quotation actually. अरण्यवासोपलक्षितात् संन्यासात् न पुनः ईयात् कर्म श्रद्धया न प्रत्यावृत्तिं कुर्यात्. So this person, then he should not come back to city. In Hindi they have given that translation. So prati avrittim you should not do. What is the question?
Iyat is E dhatu Swamiji in Gattav. Ashirling
Okay. In Gattav dhatu. Iyat iyatam you is there?
Iyat iyatam iyatuhu.
Acha. Vidhiling it is not there. Okay. Ashirling it is. Good.
Sorry, Swamiji. Vidhiling also Iyat.
Okay. And what is the rupa?
Iyat iyatam iyuhu. But it is not Dirgha. Ashirling is Dirgha. Vidhiling is Rasva.
Okay. So here it is Rasva or Dirgha? Here it is Rasva. Correct? So here it is Vidhiling. Vidhiling prayoga is there. It is a vidhi. Okay, see further. So prati avritti means returning back to such things he should not do. Iti jijivishadirahitasya sannyas vidhanad ityartha. Person who does not have jijivisha, for that person sannyas. In other words, sannyasa should mentally keep me ready that I am ready to die. Okay. This is the main thing, and that's why a person, when they go to Himalayas, forests, so now at least there is lot of certainty, but in those days there were uncertainties. Where you will get food from and where you will stay and what kind of, like now also electricity is so certainty is not there, water sometimes is not guaranteed. In some like rental places and all it might be good, but in ashrams there is no such guarantee. In Bhashya, tato na punariyat iti sannyasa shasanat. And therefore, once again, he should not come back. Tika, itasya naika phala kamasya jnana karmanor adhikarah pratipattavya ityaha. Itasya, and for this reason also, naika phala kamasya jnana karmanoh adhikarah pratipattavya. एक फल कामस्य ज्ञान कर्मणोः अधिकार न प्रतिपत्तव्यः. ज्ञान अधिकारी and karma adhikari, their phalam is different. So they are not eka phalakami. They are viruddha phalakami. One has swarga phala or bhoga phala, another has moksha phala. So न एक फल कामस्य ज्ञान कर्मणोः अधिकारः प्रतिपत्तव्यः. इत्याह उभयोः फलभेदं च वक्ष्यति. So फलभेद is also different in both. Adhikari is different, phala is different. In fact, Anubandha Chatushtaya is different for both. Anubandha Chatushtaya for Jnana Yoga and Anubandha Chatushtaya for Karma Yoga, they are different. Therefore, same adhikari cannot be asked to do the other. को मोहः कः शोकः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यता इति सनिदान अनर्थ प्रहाणम ज्ञान फलम वक्ष्यति. So now you made the statement that phala bheda is different. I mean phala bheda is there. Phala is different for both. How? So it is given. For jnani jnana phalam kim को मोहः कः शोकः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः. Where is moha, where is shoka? For the one who sees ekatvam anupashyata iti. Sanidana anartha prahanam jnana phalam vakshyati. Sanidana means मूल कारणम सहित अनर्थ prahanam. What is the मूल कारणम? Avidya. Along with avidya, shoka moha nivritti, shoka moha nasha. Avidya sahita shoka moha nasha is jnana phalam. So you can dwell on it. You ask yourself this question: are you sukhi or dukhi? What is the answer? You tell yourself, you don't have to tell. So if you say, I am not happy, something is happening, something is bothering, this, that. So vastavikta is, really speaking, you are karma adhikari then. Because jnana phalam is what? There is no shoka, there is no moha. There is no moha means there is no viparita bhavana. Moha means viparita bhavana. So there is no moha. Means I don't take myself to be a person. I am Brahma. So don't start examining other people. But you are not like this, but that person is not like that. No, you think it for yourself. If you want shoka nivritti. If I want shoka nivritti, I should abide in Brahma Jnana. If somebody else wants shoka nivritti, they will abide in Brahma Jnana. Correct? Yes. Shoka moha nivritti. Sanidana anartha prahanam jnana phalam vakshati. And what is karma phalam? Samsara mandala antargatam evacha deshantara praptyayatam hiranya garbha pada praptyadi lakshanam karma phalam vakshati. Karma phala is sansar mandal antargatam eva. He is within sansar mandal. From here you go there, from there you go there, you are still within sansara. संसार मंडल अंतर्गतम एव च देशांतर प्राप्ति. Some new place you settle down. Settle down means you go there. You may feel this is nice, this, that. देशांतर प्राप्ति आयत्तम. आयत्तम means प्राप्तम. हिरण्यगर्भ पद प्राप्त्यादि लक्षण. And पद प्राप्ति like हिरण्यगर्भ. Earlier I was in Rishikesh, now I am in Brahmaloka. You are still sansari. So anywhere else, so you are sansari only. If Brahmaloka, it's Hiranya, not only Brahmaloka prapti, Brahma prapti. So not Salokya, Samipya, but Sayujya, becoming one, Brahma only. Still it is samsara. Karma phalam vakshati. How it will be said? So you see, Ko Moha Kashoka is Ishavasya Mantra 7, is already quoted. Now for Karma phala, what is the quotation? Agnyenaya Supatha iti antena ityartha. अग्नेनय सुपथाराये अस्मान विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां ते नम उक्तिम विधेम. So there is a prayer because he is going to be led. This jiva is going to be led. Means he is here, he will go somewhere, and then chakra. So by that karma phala is mentioned. So that prayer is there of the jiva. Hey Agne, lead me by the right path. Uttarayana marga, etc. This is Supatharaye Asman. Narayanopanishad vakyamapi भिन्नाधिकारित्वे प्रमाणयति. Mahanarayan Upanishad Vakya is also given here as Pramanam. Bhinna Adhikaritve Pramanayati. In Bhashya it is given. Imau Dvaveva Panthana Anunishkrantatarau Bhavatah Kriyapatashyaiva Purastat Sannyasascha Uttarena Nivritti Margena एषणात्रयस्य त्यागः. द्वावेव पंथानौ, this is a famous quotation in Mahabharata, etc. also it is given. There are two paths. What are they? Jnana and karma. Here these two paths are not. See, Kriyapatha and Jnanapatha. Kriyapatha is Anunishkrantatarau Bhavatah. Two paths, they are both leading you Anunishkranti. Nishkramanam means movement, progress. Kriyapatha is first, Kriyapathascha. So first, karma marga will lead you. Sannyasascha uttarena. Then sannyasa marga will lead you later. How sannyasa marga will lead? Nivritti margena. Eshanatrayasya tyagaha. So, technically, it will be one path. First, you do karma. Vedānuvachanena brahmanaha vividishanti yajnena danena tapasa anashikena. So, you do yajna, dana, tapa. Means you do lot of satkarma. So much satkarma that I will have no desire for the world anymore. Vairagya is the sign of fulfillment of satkarma. Then I don't want, because I have seen, not only I don't want because I am frustrated, because I am not getting something, therefore I don't want. No. I don't want something or anything because I have understood the limitations, anityatva, that even if I get something or the other, inside I will remain incomplete only. This will mark the vairagya. That person is a mature person. And we don't have to tell in this way. In our buddhi should be clear. Because there are sometimes, Mahatmas are there. They have so many bhaktas all over the world, let us say. And they go, they meet them, they be with them. That does not mean they have desire. They are probably Mahavirakta. So inside they know all this is nothing, I am Brahma, none of this touches me. And we should respect them equally. Just like there are some who are Viraktas, everybody has different prarabdha. Some people have prarabdha to go to places, they are different. So sannyasa through nivritti marga, eshnatrayasya tyaga. Tayoho sannyasa patha eva atirechayati. Tayoho, of these two paths, sannyasa marga is sreshtha. Atirechayati means is greater, is superior. That quotation is given, nyasa eva atyarechayat. In Upadesha Sahasri, Bhagavan Bhashyakar has quoted this. Nyasa eva atyarechayat. In first chapter itself you will find in Upadesha Sahasri. Taittiriya Samhita Narayana Upanishad. That is how Taina is given. Iti cha Taittiriya. Sometimes people say, Taittareya Upanishad. It is not Taittareya, it is Taittiriya. And Aitareya, it is not Aitiriya. Taittiriya, Aitareya. Mahabharata quotation is given next. Dvavimavath panthanau yatra vedaha pratishtitaha. This is a shloka. Dvavimavath panthanau yatra vedaha pratishtitaha pravritti lakshano dharmo nivrittischa vibhavitah. Dvavimavath panthanau This is Mahabharata Shanti Parva. Dvau imau atha panthanau. There are two parts. Yatra Vedaha Pratishtita. Means both are Vedic marga only. Veda is present there in both. Vedaha Pratishtitaha. Pravritti Lakshano Dharmo Nivrittisya Vibhavitaha. Pravritti Lakshano Dharmo and Nivritti Lakshano Dharma Vibhavitaha. Visheshena Bhavitaha. So Nivritti is dearer, superior in this way. भावितः means they have become revealed, manifest. इत्यादि पुत्राय विचार्य निश्चितम उक्तम व्यासेन वेदाचार्येण भगवता. पुत्राय uktam. This teaching is given to his son. Putraya. So this teaching must be given to Yudhishthira also. I am not Dhritarashtra also. It is possible. Bhagavan Vedvyas ji must have said to his putra. Vicharya Nishchitam Ukta, firmly by Vedavyasa, Vyasena Vedacharyena Bhagavata. Vibhagam cha anayoho darshayishyamaha, and we will show this Vibhaga also. Tika पुरस्तात् सृष्टि काले अनुनिष्क्रांततरौ भूत सृष्टिम अनुप्रवृत्तौ भिन्नाधिकारित्वात् उभयोः संन्यास एव अतिरिक्तः श्रेष्ठो भवति. परम पुरुषार्थ अव्यवधानात् इत्यर्थः. पुरस्तात् सृष्टि काले, at the time of creation, earlier, Anunishkrantatarau bhuta srishtim anupravruttau. Anunishkrantatarau means bhuta srishtim anupravruttau. When the bhuta, Panchamahabhuta srishti was created, at that time itself, pravrutti dharma and nivritti dharma was also created. Dharma, sannyasa, both were there. Bhinnadhikaritvat, but they had bhinna adhikari. Of the two, ubhayoho sannyasa eva atiriktaha. Ubhayoho is which vibhakti?
Shashti.
Ubhayoho, of the two, sannyasa itself is Sreshtha. Sannyasa eva atirikta. Sreshto bhavati. Why? Parama Purushartha avyavadhana. Because for Parama Purushartha there is no vyavadhana. In Tippani, 6 number in my book, but so where it is said Bhinnadhikaritvat, in Tika, that Tippani you see. Pathor dvitve hetum avishkaroti. That there are two paths, pathin shabda. In that, what is the hetu? Bhinna adhikaritvat. In that, yadva dvavapi srishtya sahaiva na pravruttau kuto anvenam iti atrayam hetur bhinnadhikaritvad iti. Next line you see, that is what I wanted to show. तत्र ही आद्ये कृतयुगे कृतकृत्या एव निवृत्ति मार्गाधिकारिणः समुत्पद्यन्ते. In Satyuga, people who are born, they are nivritti marga adhikari and they are already kritakritya in Satyuga. Means there are more of such people. Treta arambhe tu karmadhikarinah iti spashtam Mahabharatadav. And when Treta Yuga, so first is Satyuga, then Dwapara, then Treta.
Treta and Treta Yuga is Rama.
Treta. So from Treta itself there are Karmadhikarina. Only first Yuga is Nivritti Margadhikari, after that all are. Bhagavan Ramchandraji's Janma was Treta Yuga and Bhagavan Krishna was Dwapara. So from Treta Yuga, Karmadhikarina, Treta Arambhe only. Since then everybody is more interested in karma or more qualified for karma. They have to do lot more for Chitta Shuddhi. Otherwise every now and then something will express in their mind. And then Vyasa Vakyam api Samvadakam aha dvavimau iti. So Veda Vyasi's quotation is also there. With this second mantra is complete Bhashya Tikar over. Tomorrow we will have class at the same time. No change. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.